All right, so this is our house we are renovating. We just got it today. That's our puppy running around. We are ripping out all the carpet. This is the living room. And we are going to be renovating this whole thing. It was an older couple's house. It was built in 1968. This is the dining room. This is the floor underneath. It's gonna clean up. It's just left over from the carpet and everything. We got the kitchen. Then we got another family room. And it has like a back patio. And that's the door to the garage. This is was a coat closet. We're gonna make it a pantry. And this is a downstairs bathroom. Lots of wallpaper. Okay, well now if you turn around, sorry, you'll see Nick and Teddy again. You go upstairs. This is where all the bedrooms are. We just had an amazing discovery that all of this is wood and so is the back room. We did not think those were. And immediately there is the only bathroom upstairs. The only bathroom with a shower too. Lots of wallpaper. I kind of like it. Nick absolutely hates it, but I like it. There's a closet, master bedroom. Teddy going crazy because he's so happy. This is his first time here. This is another bedroom. This one already has the flooring, so we're hoping this is what all the flooring underneath all the carpet looks like. Teddy going crazy. And this is what is probably going to be my office. Yeah, so if you want to follow us along, we're going to be renovating it and I'll be making videos along the way.